look at this lighting. Hiya. The lighting. Hello. This is insane. Like, looking at this view is like, wow. I'm gonna be looking at this view every single day and night. And it's like also a dreary day outside, so like the lighting's gonna be even better. I'm so excited. Okay, my dad is getting the last of the stuff from the car, and then after we're going to set up the kitchen and build whatever furniture we have, and we're definitely gonna be keep coming back day after day to make sure that everything's set up. What's an echo?
Yeah.
Sorry, neighbors. Okay, so now we're gonna start with my kitchen stuff. Got my little glasses here. If you want to see more in depth all the stuff that I got, I did that in a video. I'll put it in my eye. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. They have gold cutlery in the picture on this, and I'm pretty sure I got rose gold cutlery. I literally couldn't sleep last night. Like, I went to bed so late. Well, actually, I slept past my alarm. I got these glass containers on Amazon. They have pink covers. Oh, I'll also link everything down below that I'm showing in this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for my soap dispenser. Guys, the soap dispenser that I got is so bougie. I'm so excited. I got these cute little, they're like wood and then kind of off-white, which is kind of what I'm going for in my apartment, off-white. My popcorn bowl to go along with my popcorn maker. I got this salt and pepper shaker, rose gold, gonna match my, actually it's kind of coppery, but it's gonna match my cutlery. I got most of the cute stuff from Amazon and HomeSense. Oh my gosh, it comes with salt, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. My cutlery. That is some bougie cutlery. All I see is just this tiny little figure going like this. Okay, rose gold knife. We got it. Oh my gosh, my popcorn popper! I actually picked this up from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was actually really not expensive at all. Like all the ones that I was looking for on Amazon, I literally searched up cute popcorn maker and they didn't have any cute ones except the $80 ones. This one's like a cool teal blue.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Okay, these are my bowls that I got. I actually got these from Fortino's. They're these really pastel-y pink bowls. I got them all in pink. I was gonna get them in white, but the white wasn't really white, and I like the faded. This pink is like the pink that I'm pretty much trying to use in my apartment, so. Why does it look so aesthetically pleasing? Like, what the heck? Name a person with a more aesthetically pleasing dishwasher. You can't. That is a cutie. This is my water filter. We got this one on Amazon too. I'll link it down below. Okay, I got my stainless steel measuring cups. They're like coppery, not really rose gold, but these were like not expensive. And it comes with the cups and the teaspoons.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Okay, now for the part I've been waiting for. Look how freaking cute this is. Not only is it cute, it's an automatic soap dispenser. Yes, you heard that right. I just said I apologize to my neighbors because I'm gonna be so loud. Thank you. Now Starbucks isn't gonna sponsor me. Cheers. Cheers. We're making this such a big deal, but we've moved in like 17 other times. This is your first place that you're responsible for. Yeah, I am a big deal. I literally have something in my eye again. Wow. So food down there, mugs and glasses and stuff up there, bowls and plates probably here. Oh no, wait, I should put like pots and stuff up there, like stuff that I don't need a lot. So now I'm gonna open these pots. They're the green pans. I got such cute mugs, but I have this one that says happy juice.
Diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
This is what the set looks like, but it literally comes with 3 pans and 3 pots, like of all different sizes. Oh, actually 4 pans. I'm gonna put these in like a bottom-ish drawer.
So I literally just have like Jeff was so aggressive, like,
Make yourself useful.
what do you want me to do?
Just fit them in as best you can.
That's just slang.
Back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. It's like the perfect size. It's marble on the top. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, y'all, best part of the apartment. Automatic soap dispenser, baby. This is from Amazon. I'll link that down below too. And there's also different colors. This one's like the kind of rosy, coppery marble, but there's different colors too. Oh my gosh, my first TV. Canada. Oh yeah. Oh, by the way, it's not gonna be on the coffee table. I'm gonna get a different thing for this. You can use this as the remote, and you can also use this as a keyboard. Voice search. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Oh, you have to be 12 years or older. Oh, Sadie. What are we watching? The volume's on the side. That's so cool. So I don't have a couch yet. So this will be my couch until I get one. My tan is really popping off. I look so orange. I didn't put that much on yesterday. I'm really comfortable.
Do you want large or snack?
I'm struggling. Okay, so now we're gonna unload the dishwasher and put everything in the cabinet. Going on here. Enjoying yourselves. Kitchen organization videos are gonna be so fun. Ooh, should I put my shower curtain up? Oh, it is up. Thanks, whoever did that.
Who wants to come with me to pick up the food?
Not me. Got a poke bowl with tofu and cucumber. Really don't know anything that's in here. Crispy things, carrots, seaweed salad. Oh my gosh. I usually don't like that stuff, but I love it.
Sadie, sweet tofu, seaweed salad, avocado, carrot, corn, cucumber, sesame oil, fried onions, furikake, and honey onion sauce. Probably
That is so good. This is actually so good. The sad part is, I don't think I'd be able to eat this again because I'm sick of it. I get something and I really, really like it in like the first 5 minutes. And then near the end, I'm like, I can never eat this meal ever again in my whole entire life. Picky eater, check. I can't stop doing that. I'm dead. I'm allowed, I'm dead. It's gonna look so much bigger with furniture in it though, like a couch. I don't even know what couch I'm getting yet. But I might want to get a sectional, like a sectional that goes like there. I don't know. Okay, so now we're at my sister's apartment and we're just gonna like visit her and have a coffee. But that was basically it for the first video of my whole moving series, you can call it. And yeah, we're gonna be like coming back and forth in the next like couple of days so many times. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell to stay for the journey. And I'm gonna do organization videos, decorating videos. Anyway, so comment down below what videos you want me to make like around my moving and my apartment and stuff. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.